This course that I've created to paint lemons in a vase is super easy and is great for anyone, whether it's their first time painting or they have experience painting in acrylics or other mediums. This is an oil painting class. It's totally online and it's over 2 hours of instruction. What I love about this class is you can apply this principle to a canvas of any size. There's a hyperlink supply list. There's also detailed instructions on how to get instructor feedback. So you actually have the capacity to send me a comment or send me an email. You can give me a brief overview of what your issue is and I can get back to you that way. So once we get into the painting, we start off with the underpainting. That's toning the canvas. And then we get into the composition. I have a couple tips on how to easily outline your shapes. Once we outline the shapes of our lemons and our leaves, we move on to starting to paint the leaves. Because the leaves are the darkest element, that's exactly where we're going to start. And I show how to use a long handled brush to keep it loose and also abstract. After we paint the leaves, we move on to the lemons and then the vase. I also share with you how to paint the background and troubleshoot. You might want to change some of the colors or adjust the size of some of your shapes. I also share with you how to use palette knives to add texture to your canvas. This course is special because it doesn't just stop at painting the picture. It also covers finishing touches and how to stage your piece if you should happen to want to sell it. Go ahead and click the link down below to head over to the course page and click the free preview button. That way you can sign up and get a feel for the interface and also my teaching style to see if it would be a good fit. Good luck! As a special offer, I did decide to include for free 2 bonus ebooks. One is Painting with Words, 170 plus titles to help you with naming your artwork. And then the other one is just 30 helpful art tips, and it covers everything from process to supplies to painting with oils.